Hello everyone, the SFT team is with you. Welcome! Today we will be testing the flotation suit from the SFT brand Deep Zone series. We have both the one-piece and the two-piece options. We will try going out onto thin spring ice, falling through and seeing how comfortable it is for a person to get out if that situation happens, if they fall through the ice. And if there's a little time left, we'll have the opportunity to try going into open water and just swimming. Well, Mikhail, let's go. Let's go give it a try. After the first immersion under the ice, they asked me how I felt. I managed to get out quickly and easily. The thing is, when you fall through the ice, the suit holds your body up. That is, as you saw, the submersion goes up to about my chest, and the suit immediately helps the person, well, it pushes them out, helps them get back onto the ice. All this is thanks to the filler in the suit. This is EVA foam. It's very soft and light on its own. It serves as insulation, and it also acts as the material that prevents the suit, and consequently the person, from sinking underwater. The foam pushes the person to the surface. And even if you fall through the ice, you will be able to get out easily. Water, a little water seeps in. The suit is not watertight, but based on the feeling, I don't experience discomfort. After me, Mikhail did the test. He had the two-piece suit, and he noted that in his case, a bit more water got inside because it, so to speak, seeped in. He also fell through, and you could say the system works. You simply won't sink deeper. However you move, the foam pushes you back up. It's absolutely comfortable and convenient. After trying walking on the ice and falling through, we considered the experiment successful. The suits didn't fail us. Now we will try swimming in open water for some time, to see how comfortable it will be to stay in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's go! We decided to go into the water. To make the experiment clean, we measured the water temperature with a thermometer. The water is cold, of course. A little seeps in through the cuffs, a little through the boots, and up the legs. But I can say for sure if you fall out of a boat into cold water during spring or autumn fishing, you will have plenty of time for someone to pull you out, get you back into the boat, or perhaps even swim to shore if the distance is not very long. So, I think once again in this situation the suits performed well. Mikhail, who had the two-piece suit, also noted that more water seeped in, but overall the suit holds perfectly. You stay afloat completely effortlessly without straining at all. A decent amount of water gets inside. That is, it seeps in from below through the boots and where the pants connect to the jacket. So water gets in here, but despite that, you are completely calm and unstrained while in the water. The suits, of course, are not designed for swimming, that's for sure. It's very energy consuming. That is, while you're swimming, it's really difficult. Lying on your back and paddling with simple circular movements, you feel quite comfortable for a person who fell out of their boat. The main task is not to drown and not to freeze. The water is cold. In terms of feelings inside, water gets in, that's clear, but in terms of feelings, by feeling it's warm, but we only swam for 3 to 5 minutes. Basically, it's warm. My hands and feet didn't cramp. Mikhail added that if you were to go in now without the suit, your hands and feet would definitely cramp up because the water is cold anyway. You wouldn't be able to swim. In the suit, it's absolutely fine. That is, obviously it's wet and unpleasant, but not critical. There won't be hypothermia, frostbite of the limbs, nothing like that will happen. Good.